Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy a custom domain through Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, head over in here under the settings on your Shopify dashboard. And then from in here, you should be able to see this. So just head over and scroll down until you click domain right here. And once you have seen domain, you should be able to see this buy button right here. So you can click on this buy new domain right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you can enter the domain that you want to actually buy. So for example, let's name this Tiara Store. And then let's search for domain that is available. So as you can see, the .com domain is not available, but it will also generate you some more results that you can actually buy. So you can also type in some more domain extension, like for example, .xyz, .store, .air, and all of these things right here. And then you see in here that this one is available. Now, if this one is available just like this ones, you can head over and click on this buy domain right here. And then from in here, you just need to add a valid payment method by opening the billing settings right here and make sure to choose auto renew or what depending on your actual preference. Enter in your contact information and then all summary right here. And then once you have done that, click on this buy domain right here in order to buy this domain for your Shopify. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.